Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your speaker output to your mic input on your PC. And if you're someone who likes exploring tech, consider subscribing. First of all you need to do is download this application called Virtual Audio Cable. This supports both Windows and Mac OS. Download it by using the link in the description below. After downloading, extract it to your desired folder and install it on your PC. After installation, restart your PC. Now you're all set to go. And now you can see that whatever sound your speaker is playing is now transferred to your mic input. Thanks a lot for watching.